In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge contacts on Activecampaign. First things first, let's get logged into Activecampaign. It's the gateway to streamlining your contacts and ensuring that all your customer information is neatly organized and easily accessible. Navigate to the Activecampaign website. Once there, you'll spot the login option. Go ahead and click on that. Now enter your username. It's usually your email, but some of you might have set up a username that's different. Either way, it's your key to getting into your account. After typing that in, go ahead and hit the login button. It's just like unlocking a door to your digital marketing world. Once you've made it through the login gate, it's time to enter your email. Yes, again, think of it as double checking that it's really you. Type in your email address in the designated field. This step ensures that you're logging into the correct account, especially for those managing multiple businesses or clients. Next up, enter your password. Remember, your password is the secret handshake into your account, so keep it complex and keep it secure. After you've entered your password, click the login button to proceed. Now you're officially behind the wheel of your Activecampaign account. At this point, you're at the Activecampaign home screen. This is your dashboard where all the magic begins. From here, you're going to direct your attention to the lists. Why lists, you ask? They are organization powerhouses allowing you to group your contacts based on categories, interests, customer journey stages, and more. So go ahead, click on lists. Now we're diving deeper into your contacts. Click on contacts. This is where all your valuable customer relationships are listed. It's the backbone of your marketing efforts. So treating this section with care can lead to very rewarding results. Upon accessing your contacts, your next move is to select the contacts you wish to merge. Look for the select option. Clicking this allows you to handpick the contacts that need to be united. This is perfect for when you have duplicates or if two contacts need to be combined into a single profile for cleaner management. After selecting your contacts, it's time to click on Add to a List. This step is about positioning your selected contacts into a specific list. Think of it as categorizing them into a folder. It helps in not just merging, but also in segmenting your contacts for targeted campaigns. You'll see an option for sample list. Click on that. This is merely an example to get you familiar with categorizing contacts. The concept of lists is essential for campaign personalization and efficiency, ensuring you're delivering the right message to the right group of people. Next up, click on Add. This action will officially merge your selected contacts into the list you've chosen. It's like telling the system, yes, these go together. After adding, don't forget to click on Apply. This finalizes your choice, applying the action you've just instructed. It's akin to saving a document. Without this step, your changes won't be saved. And for the cherry on top, you're going to click on Apply Changes to Two Contacts. This step is crucial because it confirms that the merge action you initiated is executed on the contacts you selected. Consider it as sealing the deal, ensuring that your contacts are now neatly merged as instructed. Lastly, confirm your action by clicking on OK. This is your agreement to the changes made, a straightforward step, but vital for locking in all your hard work. And there we have it. You've successfully navigated through the process of merging contacts on Activecampaign. It's all about making sure your customer information is neatly organized, which not only simplifies your workflow, but also enhances your marketing efforts. Keep experimenting with these tools and you'll find your communication becoming more impactful and your campaigns more successful. Remember, the beauty of Activecampaign lies in its ability to tailor your endeavors towards more personalized customer experiences, and managing your contacts efficiently is the first step towards achieving just that. So take what you've learned today and apply it to clean up and optimize your contacts list. Your future self will thank you for the streamlined, efficient system you've put in place. That wraps up our tutorial for today. I hope this video helps you manage your contacts more effectively on Activecampaign. Keep tuning in for more tips and tricks to maximize your digital marketing strategy. Happy merging!